Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Duo podcast. My name is Daniel. I am so happy you're here with us today. I hope you're having a really good day or night, wherever you are listening from.
Hi, friends. I'm Sarah. It's so nice to have you here again. Seriously, thank you for listening. Thank you for learning English with us. And thank you for spending this time with us. It means a lot. Really, a lot.
Yes, we love this little community. And today, oh man, today's topic is fun. Like, really fun. We are talking about favorite food.
Food. One of the best topics ever. I mean, who doesn't love food? Cooking food, eating food, thinking about food, looking at pictures of food at 2 a.m. I do that sometimes.
Oh, I've done that so many times. You're hungry, you're in bed, you're scrolling, and suddenly you're like, I need pizza right now.
Yes, exactly. Or noodles or fries or okay, stop me. I'm getting hungry already.
Same. So today we're going to talk about our favorite foods, some funny food stories, memories from childhood, and we're also going to teach you some super simple English phrases you can use to talk about your favorite food too.
And we're doing all of this in slow, simple, beginner-friendly English. So relax, enjoy, take your time. You can listen again anytime.
All right, let's begin. Okay, Sarah, let's introduce ourselves like we always do. I'll go first. So, again, my name is Daniel. I live in the United States. I grew up in a small town in Ohio, and I love teaching English because I love connecting with people from all around the world. It honestly feels amazing. A little fun fact about me, I am a huge food lover, like big. I'm not a chef, not at all, but I love eating. I love trying new restaurants, and I love dessert. Like, too much. It's a problem.
Yes, you really love dessert.
I do. I absolutely do.
All right, my turn. Hi again, everyone. I'm Sarah. I'm from California. Sunny, warm, beautiful California. I work as a teacher too, and I love helping English learners feel confident when speaking. And about food, well, I love cooking. I find it relaxing, chopping vegetables, mixing things, tasting things. It makes me feel calm, peaceful, and sometimes proud of myself, even if it tastes bad.
I feel that.
So, Sarah, how was your day today? Before we jump into food talk.
It was good. Actually, pretty good. I went for a walk in the morning, drank a nice cup of coffee, and then I tried a new bakery near my house.
Ooh, bakery. What did you try?
A cinnamon roll. And Mark, I'm not kidding. It was the softest cinnamon roll I've ever had.
Now I'm jealous.
I knew you would be. My day was simple: work, gym, and then I made myself the most beautiful sandwich. Like, I looked at it before I ate it and said, wow, I did that.
You and your sandwiches.
I'm proud of them, okay?
All right, let's get into the main topic, our favorite foods.
Yes. And we invite you, the listener, to think about your favorite food too. What do you like? Why do you like it? How does it make you feel? These questions help you practice English and also understand yourself better too.
So, Daniel, let's start with you. What is your favorite food?
Okay, my favorite food in the entire world is pizza. Classic, simple, but powerful.
Powerful?
Yes, pizza is powerful. It makes bad days better. It makes good days even better. It's warm, it's cheesy, it smells amazing. It makes people happy.
I agree. Pizza is comfort.
Exactly. And I love all kinds of pizza. Pepperoni, cheese, veggie, barbecue chicken, Hawaiian. Yes, I like pineapple on pizza.
Oh, no.
Yes, I said it. And I'm not afraid.
I respect your bravery.
Thank you. But the real reason pizza is my favorite is because of a memory.
Ooh, story time.
So, when I was a kid, maybe 8 or 9, my dad worked a lot. Like, a lot. He didn't have much free time. But once a month, just once, he would take me to this small pizza place near our house. It wasn't fancy. The chairs were old, the lights were yellow, the menu was printed on paper that looked older than me. But that place, that tiny little place, felt special. My dad and I would sit together. We would share one large cheese pizza, just cheese, my favorite. And for that 1 hour, he wasn't busy. He wasn't stressed. He wasn't tired. He was just my dad. We talked, we laughed, we joked. And I remember thinking, I love this moment. I love this food. I love this feeling. So now every time I eat pizza, I feel a little warm inside, like I'm visiting that memory again.
Ah, Mark, that's beautiful. Food really connects us to people we love.
Yeah, and that's why pizza is not just food to me. It's like a piece of my childhood.
All right, Emily, your turn. What is your favorite food? Okay, my favorite food is homemade soup.
Soup. Interesting.
Yes, soup is warm, gentle, soft. It feels like a hug. And I know some people think soup is boring, but not me.
What kind of soup?
Chicken soup, vegetable soup, noodle soup, pumpkin soup, pretty much every soup. But I have a story too. When I was a kid, maybe 6 years old, I got sick. Like really sick. High fever, coughing, everything. My mom stayed home with me and she made me her homemade chicken soup. The smell. Oh my gosh, it was like magic. Warm chicken, garlic, onion, fresh herbs. It made me feel safe. I remember lying on the couch, holding the warm bowl with my small hands. My mom sat next to me and said, "You're going to feel better. Just rest." That soup made me feel loved. So now, when I make soup for myself or for someone else, I feel like I'm giving love.
That's so sweet. Food is love, honestly.
It really is.
Okay, let's lighten the mood. Funny food story time.
Oh, yes. You go first.
All right, so I love spicy food. I think I can handle it. I think I'm tough. But one time, I was not tough. I went to a restaurant with my friend. He told me, try the spicy wings. I said, sure, I'm strong. I got this. Big mistake. The wings were so spicy, I swear I saw the future.
Oh my God.
I started sweating. My eyes were crying. My nose was crying. My soul was crying. And the waiter came over and said, "Are you okay, sir?" And I said, "No. No, I'm not."
I can imagine you turning red like a tomato.
I looked like I was melting.
All right, my turn. So, when I was in college, I tried to bake a chocolate cake. I followed the recipe, or at least I thought I did, but I messed up one small detail. Instead of adding 1 cup of sugar, I added 1 cup of salt.
No.
Yes! I gave a slice to my friend. She took one bite and she froze like a statue. Then she said, "Sarah, are you trying to kill me?"
That's amazing. Okay, listeners, let's teach you some useful phrases. These are easy English sentences you can use to talk about your favorite food. Repeat after us if you want.
Sarah, my favorite food is...
I like it because it tastes.
When I eat it, I feel...
I first tried it when I was blank years old.
I like to eat it with my family, friends.
See? Very simple. Very useful.
Sarah, Daniel, why do you think food makes people so emotional?
Because food is connected to moments. Birthdays, holidays, family dinners, good days, bad days. Food holds memories.
Yeah, food can remind us of home or someone we miss or a happy time.
Exactly.
Okay, quick question. What is your comfort food?
Mac and cheese, easy.
Oh, that's a good one.
Warm, cheesy, soft, perfect. What about you?
Mashed potatoes with butter. A lot of butter.
You just made everyone hungry. What about food with friends?
Tacos. Tacos are fun. You sit together, you build your own taco, you laugh, you spill things. It's great.
For me, burgers. Classic American friend food.
Here's a fun question. What food did you hate as a child but love now?
Broccoli. I used to think it tasted like sadness. Now I actually like it.
For me, tomatoes. Now I love them.
What food do you want to try in the future?
Real Japanese ramen from Japan. Not the instant one, the real one.
Same. And also fresh pasta in Italy. One day.
Okay, friends, we're coming to the end of our podcast episode. So let's take a moment to reflect. Food is not just something we eat, it's something we feel, something we remember, something we share.
When you talk about your favorite food in English, don't just say the name. Talk about the memories behind it, the people, the feelings.
Because that's what makes language beautiful.
And we hope this conversation helps you feel more confident speaking English.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. We love having you here.
We'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.